Okay, testing the TopZee, T-O-P-Z-E-E, I guess, TopZee, like topsy-turvy, blender. I have a couple of tablespoons of Greek yogurt. I have some blueberries. I have some blackberries. I have a banana, which I broke in half. And then I put in about a half a cup, 1 scoop of ice cubes. And we're going to see what this does. So you plug it in. It's pretty easy deal to work with. You plug it in, you put it on this top that has the blades in it, and you push it down and twist it. So you're probably not going to be able to hear me. You'll just hear loud noises and, whatever happens, happens. They say to make sure to always put the ice in on the top so it gets crunched up. So I'm curious if it gets all the yogurt that's up here involved in it. Here we go. Not getting all that stuff down there, so I'm going to give it a little mix, a little shakeroo. Yeah, it's pretty liquefied. Let's give it a taste test. I like the suction cups on the bottom of that. You don't have to worry about it dancing across the counter. It comes with a little pour spout, so you can kind of pour it out of there if you've got enough for more than one person. But looks like it's very, very liquidy. Banana is so overpowering. One banana, but it works well with the blackberries and the blueberries. And that yogurt is really good yogurt, the Cabot yogurt. So I want to lick those blades, but I'm not going to. Let me get a cup with a straw, because I think it's probably going to need a straw. So here we go. Is that in the shot? Yeah. Yes. Very, very good.